U. MCN is at the world launch of BMW S new XA39990 S1000R Super Naked in Mallorca today. Quote, U. Senior road tester Michael Neves will ride the new machine, which is a naked version of the German firm S fire-breathing, race-ready S1000RR. It has the same 999cc inline four-cylinder engine, but power is trimmed to 160 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 83 FTLB at 9,250 revolutions per minute to make it more manageable for the road. Quote, U. Sharing the RR's chassis. The steering geometry is slightly lazier and the wheelbase longer, for extra stability, comfort and traction. Curb weight is 207 kilograms. Quote, U. 2 riding modes. Racing ABS and stability control come as standard, but a Riding Mode Pro option is available, which includes 2 more riding modes, traction control and a lean angle sensor. Quote, U. 46mm forks are adjustable for rebound and compression damping and the rear shock is fully adjustable. But there is a semi-active suspension dynamic damping control DDC option, first seen on the HP4. Quote, U. Radial Brembos are the same as the RRS, but the instruments, styling and riding position new, with a 16mm lower seat. Quote, U. Optional accessories include everything from heated grips and cruise control, to a full titanium Akrapovic exhaust and an HP datalogger. U. Read the full road test in MCN on Wednesday. U. XA0